Hello, I'm Barkha and welcome to the show World of Bollywood. Here we'll fill you in all the inside happenings of B-Town. Who signed which film? Who ditched whom? Hookups, breakups, link-ups. Everything presented to you in this half hour. But before that, let's check out what's making headlines today.
बैंग बैंग को प्रमोट करने के लिए ऋतिक और कटरीना आए जिंग और ZETC के स्टूडियोज में दिखाएंगे इस इंटरव्यू की कुछ एक्सक्लूसिव हाइलाइट्स। स्पाइस्ड अप में दिखाएंगे हैदर शाहिद कपूर का एक फिल्म मैगजीन के लिए किया गया लेटेस्ट फोटोशूट। एक बुक लॉन्च पर रितेश ने अपनी विटी साइड से किया सबको एंटरटेन। बैंग बैंग के बिहाइंड द सीन्स में दिखाएंगे ऋतिक के स्टंट्स के पीछे की मेहनत। राइटर चेतन भगत की लेटेस्ट बुक टाइटल्ड हाफ गर्लफ्रेंड के लॉन्च पर आए मोहित सूरी, कृति सनन और एकता कपूर।
इंडिया का मोस्ट वांटेड क्रिमिनल, जिसके पीछे हम इतने सालों से पड़े।
इस तरह के क्रिमिनल्स बहुत चार्मिंग होते हैं और बहुत खतरनाक भी।
बैंग बैंग के स्टार्स ऋतिक और कटरीना रिसेंटली आए थे जिंग और ZETC के स्टूडियोज में अपनी फिल्म के प्रोड्यूसर के साथ, जहां इन्होंने बैंग बैंग के एक्शन सीन्स से लेकर डांसिंग तक अपने सारे एक्सपीरियंसेस शेयर किए। साथ ही ऋतिक और कटरीना ने की एक दूसरे की पर्सनल लाइफ्स को लेकर आपस में थोड़ी टांग खिंचाई भी। तो चलिए आपको दिखाते हैं इस इंटरव्यू की कुछ हाइलाइट्स।
जो आप पानी से निकलते हैं, पहले टीजर ट्रेलर में आया, इज इट कॉल्ड फ्लाई बोर्डिंग? हाँ, ये क्या है एग्जैक्टली? किस किस्म का स्पोर्ट है और कहाँ से आपने ट्रेनिंग ली?
ये स्टंट आई थिंक हैज ओरिजिनेटेड इन ऑस्ट्रेलिया।
ओके।
और बहुत ही नया था उस टाइम पे। आई थिंक व्हेन आई डिड दिस दे टोल्ड मी दैट आई प्रोबेबली वाज द 8th or the 9th person in the world to have learnt it to
Only the 8th or the 9th person? Oh my God.
very very new stunt. तो अवेयरनेस थी नहीं। अब जब अवेयरनेस है तो लोगों को पता है कि यू आर सपोज्ड टू वेयर अ ब्लडी हेलमेट व्हेन यू डू दिस।
जो आपने
यू आर नॉट सपोज्ड टू डू इट विदाउट अ हेलमेट।
और जो आपने
so yeah, saving Katrina Kaif, you can't strap on a helmet like that
and then try to save her.
and then take out guns and look like a hero. So I said, helmet, no helmet, it's okay, it's only water. And when you think of water, it's such a soft, nice thing. But try falling on water, in water from a height of 40 feet.
तो वो पूरा प्रेशर,
और आपके पीछे आपके जूतों के नीचे देयर इज अ थ्रस्टर। तो जब आप गिरते हो तो इट इज नॉट जस्ट योर बॉडी वेट, इट इज यू बीइंग थ्रस्ट इनटू द वाटर। एंड माय लक वाज के those days the water was not calm, it was turbulent. We were in the deep sea, adding to not being able to find a proper angle to impact the water, to enter the water. Because when you dive, you're supposed to enter straight. Now the water sometimes like this, sometimes it's like hitting me while I'm. So I got impacted from all sides.
which is what led to that clot in the.
Which is what led to a very bad
Head injury.
Headache first.
Okay.
And I complained. I said, "Yeah, my head is hurting a lot." And she was, "Oh, shut up! It's just a headache now." I said, "Yeah, I know. And how do I stop shooting?"
So many injuries in the years that I've known him.
So headache seem to be like
kabhi back ka.
मैं भी सोच रहा हूँ कि
my
headache
head's
की वजह से मैं
hurting.
शूटिंग कैसे मैं रोक सकता हूँ?
Water is coming from my
लेकिन
nose.
headache
I
बहुत था
just
मुझे।
Go quietly sit.
It was really it was a really bad pain. And I said, well, last day now, let's just get it done. तो वो किया and the stunt itself is a great feeling to be on that.
आप बीमार पड़े, आपका ऑपरेशन हुआ, तो हाउ स्कैरी वाज दैट? और कभी आपको ऐसा लगा कि शायद ये फिल्म बन ही नहीं पाएगी?
लगा actually there was a point where I thought that अब तो कुछ भी हो सकता है because the pain wasn't going.
ये पहले शेड्यूल के बाद का है?
फर्स्ट शेड्यूल के बाद का है।
पहला एक कितने दिनों का शेड्यूल था ये?
First schedule was about 10 days in Phuket, I think, and about 6 days in Greece.
अच्छा, तो 16 दिनों की शूटिंग के बाद जो आपका पेन शुरू हुआ?
पेन शुरू हुआ 2 महीने के लिए। उसके बाद I did a scan, found out that there's a blood clot in the brain, and I said, okay, but I've got 8 hours to fly to Prague for my next schedule. They said, if you fly, you die. I said, okay, then I won't fly. What do I have to do? They take the blood out. Took the blood out. They said, you'll be okay in a month. But I think I was so involved in Krish at that time, doing the post work of that, visual effects and mixing, loud sounds. So I don't think I gave myself enough rest. So my pain lasted for like some 7 months. Yeah. I just knew that when I get back into this film, I made up my mind and I promised Sid that we will make this film the best film that's ever made. That's my promise to you.
I think जो करना है ना, वो आज करना चाहिए. मैं तो रोज ये मान कर निकलता हूँ कि ये मेरा आखिरी दिन है. So all I have is एक दिन.
Katrina, आपको एहसास था when he was going through hell, did you realize the intensity of his pain or you were not really in the know of things so deeply?
No, she knows everything about everything. The entire world.
बात है,
Ask her
she's
about
Google.
America.
She's Google.
Ask her about, she's Google cat.
I'm quite knowledgeable, yes. So I gave him advice from time
World
to time
news.
on the equipment to use in the surgery, the medicine to take after, so on and so forth. No, I really did. He called me up and asked me the name of the medicine. I told him.
The vitamin C.
But I think he's confusing obviously the trauma of the operation and the effect and the pains it had in his head with probably actually just being around me and my voice continuously being heard. I think he was confusing everything together. It's like my head, I can't take it anymore.
मतलब you were such a pain in the head. Those 16 days of shooting and he had such splitting pain in the head.
Impacted him so heavily. He just was like, I can't go back, I can't do this. So it was a bit traumatic.
And then he must have gone and met him and assured him कि मैं ऐसा नहीं करूँगी, अब मैं आपको pain नहीं दूँगी.
Actually, the only time I saw him between that and the next time was when he was in the hospital. And I think I remember trying to encourage him to go out and party. So I don't know how much of a help I was at that point.
She had just come back from a party.
Yeah, I just come back from a party. He had given me a two-week holiday because he had a surgery.
3 months off.
He had his surgery, so I was like, yay, party! And then I saw, oh, you're in hospital. Not too good then, huh?
तुम कह रहे हो कि वो लड़की इसके साथ थी.
वो जो ये सोचते कि तुम कुछ जानती हो.
मैं क्या जानती हूँ?
कुछ नहीं, पर वो ये नहीं जानते.
वो नहीं जानती कि मैं कुछ जानती हूँ.
नहीं, वो ये सोचते हैं कि तुम कुछ जानती हो, पर वो ये नहीं जानते कि तुम कुछ नहीं जानती.
मैं क्या जानती हूँ?
कुछ नहीं.
तो वो ये जानती है क्या?
Stop!
होना है जो होना है रहेगा होके ही होता है जो मिल जाता है कोई होगा ये जाना मैंने मिलके तुमसे ही. Are you feeling it tonight? I'm feeling it tonight.
It was necessary for him to stop and he couldn't do much about it. आपके लिए ये कैसा रहा? Because you had allotted your dates and then आप कोई और फिल्म भी नहीं कर सकती थी और इस फिल्म में भी, so you were actually left with all the time in the world and nothing to do.
Actually, it was the opposite. What happened is I thought, okay, so this is now going to be a bit of a gap.
Yeah.
And
so what to do? The best thing is to make more money. she took on all the endorsements.
I took on
got
actually.
richer because of me. She had.
I took on a bunch of films at one time.
Getaway because of me. I mean, how
But
much?
you were in pain, so
how
what
much
romantic
do you owe me?
getaway? With whom? Kaun? Who is it?
That's
What he meant
I'm quite
was
dumb. We
a
don't
fun,
business
happy
here. We
friends
don't
holiday is what he actually meant.
रात भर बात कर तू मेरे साथ चल दिल पे चला है जादू जाने क्यों.
He also said she got time for a romantic getaway. उसके बारे में तो आपने बताया ही नहीं. कैसा था आपका holiday?
Holiday? Which holiday? I've been on countless holidays in my life. Which holiday would you like me to tell you
जो इस 7
about?
महीने के दौरान आपने एक romantic getaway किया, वो कैसा था?
Every holiday that I've been on, or every getaway that
romantic.
I've been on, has been amazing. Has been so much fun. Like I've really had a nice time. I've not had much time for holidays, but wherever I have gone with my friends has been like just a blast. It's been really fun.
She's a very diplomatic.
read the papers?
Huh? I don't believe half the stories because
Achha,
झूठी stories होती हैं. तो मैंने सोचा right from the horse's mouth.
Should we start talking about paper stuff with you?
Okay.
She caught you.
I've had a lot of very good times and a lot of very not so good times this year, but I think in the end the good times have outweighed the bad.
Had outweighed, especially because आप लोगों को जो reaction मिल रहा है आपके trailers के लिए, आपके गानों के लिए and the visuals of the song, dances के लिए, मेरे ख्याल से those are outstanding reactions. कितनी मेहनत करनी पड़ी इन डांसेस को करते वक्त? मतलब देयर यूज्ड टू बी रियल हार्ड वर्क या इट कम्स नेचुरली टू बोथ ऑफ यू?
You know, honestly, in this film, I think the more difficult dance scene has Hrithik has done it. So I think he has to take the credit for the song. I mean, the romantic song we can both share credit, which is Meherban. But the other dancing songs like Tu Meri, I mean, that's pretty much him dancing. I'm just walking left and right, and even the title track, I'm there. But I think the more
आप दोनों हैं, of course. His
but the
steps,
more, you know, Michael Jackson, that whole part, which I think people have really loved, is his part. So I think I'll be generous and kind and give him the credit.
4-5 दिन की मेहनत में ऐसा गाना बन जाता है?
Yeah, but you know, when you have such help, when you have such help, you know, he had me to guide him, to help him.
Exactly, yeah.
He's standing with Katrina Kaif and dancing, man.
That itself, yeah. मतलब आप ऐसे खड़े रहते हैं, वैसे ही आपका शरीर हिलने लग जाता है और आप डांस करने लग जाते हैं.
I have taught him some of the steps. The fact that he saw what I was doing and then did something completely different is a different story. Yeah. But yeah, in my head, I was teaching him.
कुछ tips दिए आपने, कुछ विशेष टिप्पणी तो हमारे दर्शकों को
in my head, I was fully teaching him. Then later, I realized, Hare, he's not doing anything I've said, and I'm doing something else altogether. So yeah, it was. I learned that sometimes you should keep the teaching to yourself.
5. ऐसा क्या किया है तुमने? इतने सारे लोग तुम्हें मानना चाहते हैं.
4. तुम कौन हो? क्या करते हो? I'll never know.
3.
मेरा दिल कह रहा था कि तुम अच्छे हो, मैं गलत थी.
2. बताओ, कोहिनूर कहाँ है? 1.
कृपया अपनी कुर्सी की पेटी बांध लीजिए.
और अब वक्त है हमारे स्पाइस्ड अप सेगमेंट का, जिसमें आज हम आपके लिए लेकर आए हैं हैदर शाहिद कपूर के लेटेस्ट फोटोशूट के कुछ बिहाइंड द सीन्स. टेक अ लुक.
It's been about 3 months that we tried to coordinate this, and finally on the morning that we were supposed to do this photo shoot, which is the most coordinated photo shoot ever, it was pouring and raining, and we were supposed to do an outdoor photo shoot on the TUI building terrace. And then the photo shoot got cancelled, and then I got so fried that I was like, no, I'm going to do this photo shoot today. You know, we tried to figure if we can get a studio, and fortunately we were able to get a studio.
मेरी जिप खोलो. हग मी. मेरे गन्स मिले. अब गन्स निकालो एंड शूट.
There was a bike chase, and the bike rider had to swerve the bike in such a way that it came really close to the adjoining cars, which were moving at some 80 miles per hour. And he wanted the shot with me and her. She's never sat on a bike behind me while I'm riding the bike, so there was an apprehension. So I said, well, why don't you sit down? We'll go for a small, very casual, slow 20k speed where we'll go for a spin, get your confidence, and then if you feel like it, we'll do it. If you don't feel like it, we won't do it. So she sat down, and I went at 20, then I went at 40, then I went at 60, 80, and I reached my full speed. And she was screaming behind.
रणवीर, दोनों में क्या हुआ?
then everything is precarious and dangerous. We did it, and it worked out. It looked good. I just had to be a bit more careful.
ये है राइटर चेतन भगत की लेटेस्ट बुक टाइटल हाफ गर्लफ्रेंड का लॉन्च, जहां दिखे मोहित सूरी, कृति सानन और एकता कपूर। और इस बुक के अजीब टाइटल के बारे में here's what the writer had to say.
It's about a Bihari boy who doesn't speak English and the girl speaks English and he wants to date her but she's not sure like some girls. So she says chal and he keeps pushing her. Has a guy ever pushed you? बताओ हम क्या हैं? Do they say? So then the same way she says okay I'll become your half girlfriend. So that's how half girlfriend was born.
वैसे अगर आप सोच रहे हैं कि एकता कपूर और मोहित सूरी इस बुक लॉन्च पर क्या कर रहे थे, तो इट इज ऑब्वियस कि ये प्रोड्यूसर डायरेक्टर पेयर बनाने जा रहे हैं हाफ गर्लफ्रेंड का ऑन स्क्रीन अडेप्टेशन, यानी अ फिल्म ऑन द बुक।
Well, it lived up to every page that I turned, every life that I lived. Because it had the innocence of a first love and a love that lasts forever. So guys, enjoy that book.
मुझे ये किताब बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी लगी एंड मैं चेतन को शुभकामनाएं देती हूँ कि इस किताब को वो उस ऊंचाई तक पहुँचाए और मैं चाहती हूँ और होप करती हूँ कि मोहित इस पिक्चर को वैसे बनाए जैसे ये किताब है, खूबसूरत।
जी हाँ, एक विलन के सुपर सक्सेस के बाद अब ये डायरेक्टर प्रोड्यूसर कॉम्बो एक बार फिर से साथ आएंगे हाफ गर्लफ्रेंड के लिए, जिसका डिसीजन इन्होंने इस बुक की रिलीज के पहले ही ले लिया।
They are some of the gutsiest people because when the book was coming out, they read it beforehand and they said we want to make a movie on it. I said आप वेट तो कर लो, बुक आने तो दो, अगर बुक पिट गई फिर क्या करोगे? तो उन्होंने कहा नहीं, हमें इतना कॉन्फिडेंस है कि हम अनाउंस कर रहे हैं, हम बना रहे हैं पिक्चर, अब जैसा भी है।
वैसे यहाँ हीरोपंती फेम कृति सानन भी आई थी इस बुक को लॉन्च करने के लिए, और जब सभी को लगा कि कृति इस फिल्म की लीड हीरोइन बनने वाली हैं, तो इसका क्लैरिफिकेशन मांगे जाने पर हो गया एक ड्रामा।
कृति, are you in the movie as well?
Well, I'm just launching the book for him and the rest producer, director, सब लोग आपके सामने हैं, आप मुझसे क्यों पूछ रहे हो?
Ekta, what do you have to say? Have you signed her for the movie?
In a Mohit Suri film, I don't cast. Mohit will answer.
No, I've actually. I'm getting
इस awkward situation को मोहित बिल्कुल संभाल नहीं पाए and he was completely lost for words.
No, I've actually. I'm getting
In fact, writer Chetan had to put some words in Mohit's mouth.
I'm getting
अरे बुक तो आने दो, आज तो बुक ही आई है।
I actually have to start writing the script first before we sign any other kind of paper or anybody for the film. So right now we've signed nobody.
How many people will come to see the movie?
We barely signed ourselves onto the film.
There were reports that Alia Bhatt and Kriti Sanon both are being considered. So who would win the race?
There's no race here. There's only a race for me to finish the script. The pressure's all on me. The producer's looking at me now, saying I have to deliver in time.
Well, तो ये रहा चेतन भगत की बुक हाफ गर्लफ्रेंड का लॉन्च। Good luck to the team for the book's on-screen adaptation. ये नज़ारा है डेंटिस्ट संदेश मयकर की बुक लॉन्च इवेंट का, जिसमें शामिल हुए कुछ गिने चुने बी टाउन सेलेब्स। इस बुक लॉन्च पर चीफ गेस्ट बनकर आए रितेश देशमुख।
Doctor has given a reason to many of us, a reason to smile. Thank you so much. I wish you all the best. And I'm really looking forward to reading this book.
और डॉक्टर संदेश की तारीफ करते हुए रितेश ने शेयर किया एक इंटरेस्टिंग इंसिडेंट, जिसे आज भी याद करके उन्हें हंसी आ जाती है।
Dr. Michael called me up and told me that रितेश, माझ्या मुलीचं लग्न आहे आणि लग्नाला यायचं बरं का? And I said, of course, I'll be there for the wedding. So I reached there on time, went to the reception and I said, which way is the banquet hall? And she said, it's that way, but what are you looking for, sir? I said, I'm here for the wedding. She said, which wedding? So I said, Dr. Mayak. Oh, let me check. So I thought, let me just call him and check where he is. So I called him, I said, Doctor, when is the wedding? So he told me, 7 Jan. I said, no, 7 Jan. I was there at 7 December. 1 month in advance.
Well, रितेश की कॉमिक टाइमिंग से हम सभी वाकिफ हैं और इस इवेंट में भी रितेश ने दिखाया अपना फनी साइड।
Having done a few naughty comedies like Kya Cool Hai Hum, Kya Super Cool, Masti and Grand Masti of course. And then I look at the title of this book and it says More Than a Mouthful. So I want to say that please don't judge this book by this cover. Dr. Saab has filled so many cavities and easy guys, easy. I so many times wonder that he should have been the municipal commissioner of this city. The roads would have been far better than what they are right now.
जहां रितेश कर रहे थे डॉक्टर मयकर की तारीफ, वहीं तुषार कपूर बिजी थे उनकी अपकमिंग फिल्म मस्तीजादे की को स्टार सनी लियोनी की तारीफ करने में।
Sunny is, I've always said, is very dignified to work with and बहुत ही organized है, उनका मतलब full time management के साथ काम करती हैं and very sweet, very warm, soft spoken person. I think she's got a very warm face. Her features, her entire personality is what I think has captivated the minds of the Indians.
Even तुषार ये इवेंट भूल कर करने लगे मस्तीजादे का प्रमोशन।
It's an adult comedy. हंस के आपको रुलाते हुए नजर आएंगे।
वेल ओवरऑल देखा जाए तो इस इवेंट के हीरो रहे रितेश देशमुख, जिन्होंने अपनी विटी बातों से इस इवेंट को बना दिया काफी लाइट और एंटरटेनिंग। For Smita Ail, Zing, Mumbai.
So that is all for now, but stay tuned as we ensure to keep you updated on all the latest buzz from Tinseltown exclusively on Zing.